Oh, it's the button itself. It's the button itself. I get it. Poop. Also, we're about to have ads, but we'll just continue working on this, fixing it as required. There we go. Now it should work. All right. Now let's test it. So save, run, change feed. Foot? Change foot. Feet? I don't know. Changing both of them. Run the game, click here, click the settings, click control. Again, this, that, aim and shoot, and that, C, and V, and B. And then reset. There you go. Nice. It works. Cool. Good. Can I commit now? Yes. We can commit. So we need U. We're not gonna move these. We're just gonna leave them where they are. Change your feet. You have both. No, now I just have 2 left feet. I think that's I'm gonna try that and we'll see. Actually, pause. Oh, okay, fine. Hey, what happened? Oh, I did git commit. Oh my god, you're stupid. You're supposed to be git add. This guys, you're supposed to stop me from doing that shit. Okay, there you go. Makes sense. Okay, so we don't need this. These two, nope. Git commit, add, keyboard rebinding option menu. Cool. Now let's go here. Let's do key rebinding. I'll use some simple GUI for Git command line. I'm used to the command line Git. I've been using that for 8 years now. So I'm just used to the command line. I've never used Git GUI, Git desktop, or any one of those. The only thing I do use for Git is in the IDE, there are some Git options here. So for example, show difference. When I need to resolve an issue, a conflict, I use this. But that's it. That's it. That's the only thing I use the GUI for. The show diff, show history, but committing, adding, and all of that, I just do it from. Fair enough. Tried it and rage quit after my first mistake. That's fair. As long as you're using Git, I don't care how you use it. As long as you use version control, I think that's good. What's the 2 commits? Oh yeah, we added a key asset and yeah, okay, cool. All right. VS Code is my Git. Yep. So, but yeah, I know there are, yeah, you can like commit and push and update and pull and do the merges from here. But I just don't like it. Like these specific functions, I like doing them from the command line. It makes me feel cool, if that makes sense. All right. So what? Should I get my controller and should we test it on a controller? Hackerman, exactly. All right, let me bring my controller. All right. Lead hacker. What? Hacker? Hacker. Exactly. Right. As you can see, I had to go into my closet to get out the controller because I'm not a controller person. I don't play with controllers. Although I might play the entire Call of Duty series on the controller. We will see. We will see. Okay. So if I just connect it, right? Okay. And you can see joystick connected, controller, Xbox One for Windows. And if I run this, if I run the game, is that gonna work? The older I get, the more I get into controllers because my wrist can't really tired. Oh no, is that my future? Not well. Okay, not the entire. My bad. The original Modern Warfare, the Modern Warfare, the Call of Duty 4, 6, and 8. I think it was. Really depends on the game. Some are more fun with controller. Uh, the only reason I will play. Oh, it works. The look doesn't work, but I can run. I can aim. I can shoot. I can jump. I can reload. I can crouch. What's the interact button? I cannot look around though. That's the only thing that doesn't work. And the option settings coming out. Oh my god. Um, so I'm assuming yes. Nice. But why can't I look around? I don't get it. Huh. So if I want to shoot this person, wait, let me turn the aim assist on. Jump, shoot, jump, shoot. There you go. Yeah, okay. Yeah, some games I can't imagine playing without a controller. I don't know. Some are definitely designed for a controller. Just a shy cowboy keeps his head down. You prefer controller, especially for games like this, really? Um, I've been writing my own script in language. Why? After like 2 weeks, I finally got a functional parser. Nice. What's the reason? And welcome in, Winter Coding. Nat, how you doing? Happy Friday. Yeah, so the reason why I need to play the Call of Duty, well, it's really the Call of Duty 4. Every time I try to run it, the mouse sensitivity is insane. Even after turning down everything on the like the DPI of the mouse, in the game itself, in the color in the windows, it's still like, every little twitch just shoots the mouse everywhere. So I'm thinking to try it with a controller. Maybe that way it will work. I just want to replay them, the original Modern Warfare series. Okay, why does the look doesn't work? Why I'm making it for a logic game? Oh, basically you program the character to move forward, etc. Oh, that's really interesting. That's really interesting. That makes sense. Makes sense. Okay, so why don't we look around? It should be a right stick. Doesn't work. Gamepad, right stick. Yeah, it should work. Hmm. Well, I'm glad everything else works. At least that. And I can switch between the keyboard and the controller. That's good. Oh, it's easier to do the 360s here. Nice. But the look doesn't work. It's supposed to be a turn-based 1v1 game where each player writes their logic of what the character should do. Interesting. Let's see if even managed to get the language working. The entire thing from scratch. No, good job, man. That sounds really cool. I still don't understand why the look doesn't work. It is the right, yeah, right stick. Left stick. Yeah, it's supposed to work. Hopefully you aren't scared of Discord links, otherwise I can send it. No, I think Discord links are better than anything else. Pop. Look at that. Move it position 6. That's really cool. Function wordy with args. Have either seen that project before or one very similar to that. There is a farming game where you program the robots that farm your farm. I don't remember what's the name of it though. I don't know. Oh, that reminds me. Actually, I know where to find it. My friend sent it to me. The farmer was replaced. Oh, that's the name of it? That's funny. The farmer was replaced. Yeah. And so here you're writing some code. I've never played it, but it's a cute idea. It's a cute idea. Oh, what is that? Loops. Oh, you unlock it. Oh, so you like unlock functions, variables, operator. Oh, that's cute. 1,200 reviews. Good for them. 96 positive. It's very good. Very good. All right. Anyway, why isn't it working? Could it be because the mouse is taking over? I think that's what's happening. I think the mouse. Where's my input? So if we look at the input, right where my head is, you can see the move input and the look input. So if I run the game, Cameron, I said we run the game. We've run the game. Come on, there you go. So I can move. So you see, and if I look, oh, the look also. The value is changing. Oh, it's very, very small. Like the value coming from the joystick or the controller is like decimals, like zero. It's floats number, 0 point something. The numbers coming from the mouse, they are like whole numbers, like integers. But even though, hey, it doesn't move at all. Not even a little bit. Like I thought it's just gonna be moving very, very slow, but it doesn't seem to move at all. It doesn't move at all. You know what? I'm just gonna hold it and I'm gonna check on chat. We're playing a tabletop game similar to what I'm making. Interesting. I think it should be really easy to build a prototype, put it on itch, see if people like the concept, and see if people like the concept, see if you want to work on it more, and then either yes or no. Yeah, the camera doesn't move at all. But the player, the player is running and flying. I hate controllers. Pow, 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 pow. You did. Okay. Well, the controller works, at least that. But the look doesn't work. Oh, I think actually this guy talks about it. Where are you? I'm sure this will just end up on the portfolio than anything. That's fair enough. If your own language from scratch isn't really maintainable, you probably choose to use an antler. If that was the case. What is that? Antler. What? Friends listen to Endless Love in the Dark? What? How? You already know how to identify these. Antler. All right. Antler. That's the website you sent. Computer program. In computer-based language recognition. It's a language. You know, that's one of the courses I'm really sad that I skipped in college was compilers. And what is it? Compilers and something. Basically the course where they teach you how to write a programming language, what a compiler does, how the compiler works, how to write a compiler. Compilers and something. There's an end to it. It's a line from Happy Gilmore. I don't know that. Joe. But yeah, so that's one of the classes I regret not taking. Oh, wait, I was looking for something else. I was looking at this guy. So, yeah, this is someone I'm following um, for the input system, for the new input system. And it's, yeah, it seems that we just need like a mouse sensitivity or something for the controller. You need more tabs open. This is, yeah. I have these, then I have these tabs, then I have, I don't know, that's one tab. Then I have also these tabs open, and I have, yeah, all of these have many tabs in them. And this, that, this, close that. What is this? That's the Steam controller. Input. And we can close all of these. That's my games. And these are the outlines, yeah. Watch Happy Gilmore, one of the greatest films of the 20th century. All right, let me write it down. You thought you were bad? Yeah. Did you know? Wait, Happy Gilmore? Okay. Did you know that on, can I show it? Chrome, Android. Never to need to open it if you never close it. Exactly. Sure. Okay. So this is how it stop. This is how it looks like. You see this number here? I don't know if you guys can see it, but on the top, this is the tabs button, and it has a number inside of how many tabs you have open on your phone. Did you know that if you go beyond 99, instead of showing a number, it shows you a smiley face? It's very funny. You see how it shows the number here? Like one tab, two tabs. That's how many you have open. Above 100, it shows a smiley face. Don't ask me how I know. I actually don't know how many tabs I have. And it looks like this. So the smiley face is actually, yeah, just can I? I don't know, but it's like a column and just the D. So it's like boop boop. It 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 looks like that. It should be a frown if it no. It's very funny. Like boop boop. Got it? No, that's not it. Oh yeah, there we go. Yeah. Yep, there you go. Smiley face. It's very funny. And when you don't have the Chrome open and you just load it up for the first time, it counts the tabs. So it goes from 1 and you can see the number going like up. All of a sudden after like 90, it's like boop, and smiley face. It's funny. I like it. It makes me smile. Makes me smile. It makes me sad that I have so many tabs open on my phone, but makes me yeah. Don't judge me. Um, all right, let's figure this out. Why don't you? Oh yeah, you don't work because of sensitivity. So let's look here. Somewhere here it was talking about. This is dead zone. Scaling input sensitivity between. Oh, here we go. Scaling input sensitivity between devices. Oh, there's a scale. Oh, but how do I know how? So this is just a field test. All right. Scale vector. So we're getting decimals, right? So we probably want to scale it by 10 at least. Boop, boop. How many tabs they got open? Chrome. It really doesn't matter at this point, my dude. Exactly. Even I, tab hoarder, never saw that. So, hey, Icy, how you doing? I don't know how you guys do it. It doesn't work. Stupid. Why isn't it working? Oh wait, does it? The value is coming in, but it's still it's not registering. I don't get it. So the value I'm talking about here, I'm gonna show you. Bloop, bloop. Here you see this value right here, the grayish thingy. This is the look input. So right now I'm using the mouse, and you can see it moves a bit up and down. I know it's very small, but you know. And if I use the controller, we still get input, but it's very well. It's much smaller than the mouse. But even with the even with this, what if I do 100? Now what? It's not reacting. You know, I think I need to restart you. Maybe because the incoming input is a float, maybe you convert it to an int somewhere? No, because the income, it's not working. Well, even if we were converting a float to an int, right? You know, 88 point something converted to an int, it's still 88 or 89. But we are also using where are you? I know where. Oh. So like 0.9 would be 0. Yep. But we use the scale. But you pointed me to the right direction. We're not using this look input. I couldn't see the incoming number. I assumed it was. Yeah, it was. But then we use the scaler and scale it by 100. It still doesn't work, but and I know why, because we're not using this look input. We're not using that. No, are we? Yeah, we're not using it. Also, it's a vector, so, you know, it's expecting floats, but I believe these. This is being used. This is not being used. Shit, what do I do?